Hi, kindergartners. This week, we're going to be doing science during your Science Social Studies block. You're going to click on the Studies Weekly button. When you get there, you're going to click on Science. So the first picture that shows up is Social Studies. You need to scroll down to Science, and you're looking for Week 9, Engineering, Push and Pull. Now, you have all week to go through these lessons. I recommend on Monday, start by watching the video and maybe reading the first section. Every time you get to a section, remember you can push play and it will read it aloud to you so you can earn your coins. Then when you get to the bottom, there'll be a test button for you to complete. You decide, would you like to complete it all in one day and then review on Friday to take the test? Would you like to repeat it every day so that you really understand the information by Friday? That is completely up to you. But remember, so this is going to be the same assignment throughout the entire week. So you're going to get this same assignment, say 19 through 17. This is Monday through Friday. So each day that you click on Science, it's going to take you to this Studies Weekly button. But the only one you need to complete this week is Week 9, Engineering, Push and Pull. Have a great rest of your day.